Hello everybody, I sincerely hope you are doing good and taking good care of yourself wherever you are. Today again, I'm here with you with another review of shoes, and this time the shoe that I have chosen for you is Nike Legend React, and the theme of the looks given to this shoe names it Nike Legend React Aqua. The retail price of this shoe is just under $100, and this product is actually a mix of both running and training purpose, which means you can use this shoe in pre-workout running as well as during your workout in the gym, which gives Nike Legend React a good fitness partner for your feet. So as usual, we will start with the upper. The upper of the shoe is actually a multi-layer mesh. Nike has used a pretty standard looking mesh for the front of the shoe, which has two layers to it. If you look at the outer mesh, there is a small seam across the shoe that was done to fit the mesh better around the shoe. The inner mesh, which of course is invisible, is seamless. Noticeably, the section here has a large visible extra leather-like overlay that says the Nike logo. I don't think the upper of the shoe gets defined by this for any technical reasons or fitting, but definitely it does add to the design of the shoe, making it a little more aesthetic. I can tell you this section here is not actually leather, because that would make this section very stiff, while the material we have here is little stretchy. That's what I call a smart choice. If we move towards the back of the shoe, we have a thin overlay to hide some stitching around the heel, and then a clean and smooth heel counter with an easy to use pull loop and a reflective tape just behind the shoe. This definitely adds to the durable nature that all running shoes desire. So before moving on to the tongue section for the upper, I must say there is not much about really good looks of the upper, but admittingly the upper does seem reliable. The tongue of the product is actually very big. It is very long, extending towards the bottom of the laces, but its width too seems like covering your feet pretty well. By the feel of it, you can tell it's neoprene tongue, and you might as well know that neoprene is not very breathable. But I guess it's there for a purpose and will help your feet fit well and feel secure to enjoy smooth and carefree running. Coming to the insole, the React technology is also used in the Nike Epic React. This insole placed right above the cushioning unit provides a bit more cushioning for the underside of the foot. It can be removed or replaced with a custom insert of the wearer's choosing. Coming to the outsole of the shoe, and depending on the feedback of the people using it, it feels as though someone put a little extra rubber on the outsole. But the fact is the heel of the shoe is rounded out, so the backside of the outsole raises off the ground slightly, and the midsole remains flat. The shoe overall has a pretty simple sole, using React foam through the forefoot to the heel with no air pockets, neither different foam sections nor any laser cut channels. The rest of the sole below the forefoot and heel are covered in a layer of durable rubber with the same pattern pressed into the foam. So without much ado, I can infer that this shoe is a decent choice when it comes to starting a jog right from your doorstep and ending at the gym to have some muscles flexed. Pretty healthy shoe for healthy-minded people, and of course a mid-range priced shoe. So that's it for this review. Hope you liked the details I gathered and shared with you. Let's call it a day here, and I will be back with Nike Jordans for my next video. Till then, it's goodbye from me. Have a nice time, and of course, take good care of yourself and others around you.